Hello, to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A06, first you have to go into your settings, right here. Then you have to scroll down until you find the general management. You go in here, and all the way down you have reset. You go in here, and then you scroll all the way down, and right here you have factory data reset. You simply just have to press it. Then you have some accounts, some files, like you simply see what will be erased from your phone, and simply you have to press reset. Confirm the factory reset, the hard reset, with this button tail delete all, and just like this your phone is currently shutting down and the factory reset is going on. So after that your phone will go black, and that's it. That's simply how you do it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.